Journey, sit. Good job. Good job. Hello, this is Journey, and I'm Sona. And this post is called Heavenly Hiccups. Because Journey got hiccups, and I tried everything I could possibly do to help him. But it wasn't the right thing, because it wasn't the right problem. Most of you know Journey and I, but for those of you who don't, Journey was a rescue. He appeared at my doorstep during COVID, didn't you? He was a runaway, and I rescued him. At the same time, my husband left, and he has never come back. So you could say, Journey rescued me, and I rescued him. There's a passage in Scripture, Philippians 4:19, that reads, God provides all our needs according to his riches and glory. He provides all our needs, but not necessarily all our wants. And that's a good thing, because often we don't know what's best for us. But God knew what was best for me. I love this little white polar bear. And let's get back to the hiccup story. Journey got the hiccups one day, and so I rolled him over and I started rubbing his belly. And the hiccups went away. Then he got them the next day. So I rolled him over and I rubbed his belly, and the hiccups went away, didn't they, Journey? But the third day I started wondering what I was doing wrong, because I'm a vegetarian, and Journey eats what I eat, but I supplement his diet with some dog food. So I started to leave little things out of my diet, but he kept getting the hiccups, and I kept giving him the belly rubs. And then I realized, after a lot of prayer and asking the Lord to cure him, I realized it was happening the same time every day. So I wondered what I was doing. Maybe there was something I was doing that was causing the hiccups. And then I realized that every day we did the same routine. We'd go out and we'd have a bike ride, we'd have breakfast, and then I would rush around in the house to get all my things in order for the day. And I surmised that my anxiety was causing his hiccups. So I slowed down and did each task. I started to sing while I did my chores. And then between my activities, I would give Journey attention, because that's really what he needed, was attention. But he learned that if he hiccuped, he would get my attention. Pretty smart dog, huh? And he did. And I realized that animals need a lot of attention. So now, between my tasks, we will either go learn a new stunt, huh? Or he'll get a brushing, or he'll get a plain belly rub. And there's lots of things we can do with animals to give them the attention they need. But this story is really about giving attention to people who develop a problem in your life. And really, all they need is a little bit of love and attention. But they mostly need for you to be happy and to sing.